Howdy, howdy, everybody. We've got a great song today called Early Morning Rain, one of Gord Lightfoot's beauties that he recorded first in 1965, his first album. And Bill Emerson, banjo player, bluegrass banjo player, brought some of his songs into bluegrass, and this is one he did with Cliff Waldron on an album called Emerson and Waldron. And I don't copy the way he did it, but some elements of it, I guess. What we got here is a capo on the second fret. And we're playing out of C position, but the first position is a C position up here at the 5th fret. You know how you can bar C there? Well, in this case, because we got to move some fingers, we do it with these three. We start off hitting that first string. In the early morning rain. To a D. Oh, that was an E minor. And you have to finger it this way. You had those three for the C. Eliminate this middle finger for a sec, so you have the 5th fret at the 2nd and 1st strings, and lower that middle finger down to the 4th fret, 3rd string. It's a nice E minor. That's what we use here. Slide the whole thing down, exact same position. 2 frets. It's a D minor now. In the early morning rain. So we're on a D minor. We're going to an F chord, which is just very close to a D minor. You just release that 2nd string, 3rd fret, and put on the 1st fret, 2nd string. Because there it is. And then you're like on this partial F. So the finger, the 3rd fret first goes to the 2nd fret first. Early morning rain. Now there's this little run. Ian and Sylvia did this kind of on guitars. This kind of a in the middle voice, right? Then it starts. So I'm on a C. I take everything off and I go to 2nd fret, 3rd string. D minor. This one is now a D minor. Open 1st, 3rd fret, 4th, 2nd fret, 3rd string. And just to be complete, I put a 1st fret, 2nd string, although we don't hit it. There's a long held where he doesn't sing anything. How's the word go? So we're on that D minor. And we hit, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line of the tab. We hit an open 1st and an open 5th, and we fret the 1st string, 2nd fret. We go to, we got this, take that off, that 2nd fret, 1st string, then, because we still got this fretted 3rd string, 2nd fret down. So we this down. Hammer with the pinky. First to third fret, second string. Hit the first string simultaneously at the same time. So we're going back to a C. The tag lick. Start again. D minor again. That's all the same. All of a sudden now we get change position. Because we want the melody. And explain it and play at the same time. That's that same run we had earlier. Now we go like the beginning. The C with these three fingers, 5th fret. E minor. Slide back to D minor. It's an F now. Just like before. Easy once you know how. So there it is. Now, if you have a guy playing, some people use different chords on this. It's like Gord Lightfoot himself didn't put minors in. And I mostly learned this off the Ian Sylvia recording. And I'm not even sure if they use these chords, but I've got the chords written above the measures in the tab. You'll see it. The tab, by the way, is displayed at the end of this video. So the chords are C, E minor, D minor, F, C. Another D minor, and then after D minor, the second time we play D minor, we go to a G, not the F. Back to C, D minor, again to a G, to a C, and then it's like the beginning. C, E minor, D minor, F, C. But it's all marked on the tab, okay, so in case you have a guitar player who's wondering how you're not, or he's not sure about the chords. Some of these can vary. You can play an F, D minor and F are very close. But I like the way these are set up. The banjo, I've patterned the banjo solo after those chords, using those chords. So there you have it. Early Morning Rain, great song. So many people have recorded, even Elvis did it. Made a lot of money for Gordy. But yeah, Ian Sylvia, Peter, Paul, and Mary had a hit with it, and Neil Young did it, and so forth and so on, lots of people. So it's a great tune. Most people know it, most people love it. So good one to learn. See you next time. Page 1. Page 2. Oh.